Scheduled auctions are a great way to preview upcoming auctions on your store, allowing excitement and anticipation to develop with the release of your auctions. To begin, let's set up the necessary scheduled auction theme template on your store. Navigate to the Shopify theme editor by clicking on Online Store, and then Customize, and create a new collection template. For this template, I will name it Scheduled Auctions. Let's hide the product grid and add the auction collection app block. Within the auction view, let's toggle the view to Scheduled Auctions. For this example, I have already created auctions scheduled for the future. This is why there are 2 auctions displaying on the page. If you haven't created any auctions scheduled on a future date, no auctions will appear. I'll click Save to persist my changes. Now I'll navigate back to the Shopify admin dashboard, and I'll go into the collections and add a scheduled auctions collection. I'll just call this Scheduled Auctions and change the template to the Scheduled Auctions template and click Save. Do a quick preview to make sure it's loading fine. And it looks like everything looks good. Now we'll click on an auction, and we see this 404 error page. Now, what can we do to fix that? There is one thing that can be done to fix this within the app. Now, let's go back into the Shopify admin dashboard, and let's create an auction preview page. So within Online Store, let's click Pages, Add Page. I'll call this Auction Preview, and I'll type Preview for this description. Click Save. Take a quick look to view the page, and the page looks like it renders properly. And I'll take note of this URL. I will just quickly copy this. Going back into the dashboard, I will open up the app. And within the app, I will select the scheduled auction that I want to edit. And we see this option right here to enable auction preview URL. I'll click to enable it, and I will enter in the copied URL. Click Save. Now, going back to the scheduled auctions collection, let's see what happens now when I click on the same auction. So clicking on this, we now see the auction preview as expected. And that's how you set up scheduled auctions on your Shopify store.